The all-in-one cleaning that covers every corner of your pool. The 9 powerful motors that deliver industry-leading 8,500 gallons per hour suction for on-max performance. 40 advanced sensors for the precision mapping and adaptive cleaning.
What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I'm here with Aiper, checking out their brand new technology. We're looking at the Scuba X1 Pro Max. We just got a really great look at it in a pool over there. We got to actually see it being cleaned and all that stuff. I'll put some B-roll so you can check that out. It is an awesome new product from Aiper. It's a brand new pool skimmer with over 3 hours of battery life and a ton of great features. If you take a look over to the right here, we can see that we actually have a demonstration here where it's underwater, skimming the entire bottom and getting everything nice and clean with 6,600 GPH of suction power, and it is absolutely amazing. It is a really cool product that can get your entire pool clean in a very short amount of time. All right, so you can see the new skim feature in the X1 Pro Max. Very easily found those leaves and cleaned them up here. You can see it kind of just floats on the top, gets rid of all the excess debris that's on the top of the water here before it sinks back down and starts cleaning the bottom again. It's a very cool feature. And you can see once it's on the edge, you just kind of pull it back up and you're good to go. And then you can just kind of push it off. You can grab one of these. If we drop this in, you'll see it'll just find it and start sucking it up. Very cool technology. And you can use the app to simply recall it. It'll crawl up the side of your pool so that you can simply grab it and pull it on out. All right, and here is the Aiper Pro Max. This is the big unveil today. This is the brand new product from Aiper that can get your entire pool clean in just about 90 minutes. It's insane. And it can climb walls, and it can get itself out of the pool, up on the edge, so you can pull it out nice and easily. Has a rechargeable battery pack that you can simply pull out, charge, and push back in. It is a great new product. And these are pretty heavy on their own, but that's why they come with their own roller here. So you just pull it out of the pool, drop it onto the roller, and you're able to take it over wherever you need to get it charged, all that good stuff. You can charge it right from here. And I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Aiper for sending us out here to check out all their brand new products, and I'll put a link to them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech.